See this guys, by just doing the sign up process, I'm getting paid a good amount of money. How people are actually earning this much amount of money, $3, $37 by just doing sign up part. Do you want to know how you yourself can earn money? $75. Watch this video till the end so that you are also getting paid a handsome amount of money per month from this reputed platform. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just promoting links over this website. You can see this guys, $250, 40% of the actual revenue that people who just sign up in, they are getting paid for that. $2,200 guys. See this, how people are actually earning per lead. CPA marketing, you might have seen this thing. Okay, how people are actually earning from these kind of websites. Do you want to know? Watch this video till the end. So first of all guys, what I need to show you, each and everything I just want to show you is that guys, this is a platform which will help you to generate leads. Okay, so leads are what do you mean by leads? Leads are something that guys you will give a target audience to your intended website. Okay, and through that number, or we can say that with that contact information, they are generating their business. Okay, let us suppose you will offer per person, they are getting paid you $1, $2, $3, okay, for per person. And if you multiply that amount with your so much of members, then you are generating a good amount of money from this platform. Okay, so how we can do it, what type of things we need to understand first is I'm going to show you in this website. Okay, so you can see this guys, there are hundreds and hundreds of companies which will offer you the leads. You can see this, there is no limit in this. In every page you can see that there are more than 10 or 20 leads that we can promote over our social media platform or our website. Okay, so for one website I just show you is this Guru Media, which is basically for nutrition and weight loss products they are just selling. I'll just show you one of these. You can see this is my weight loss product. You can see Keto XP Advanced Weight Loss and Diet and Weight Loss. You can see, so you can see this $110 from one CPA link. Okay, I can generate. So how to join it? I just show you what type of things you need to do. You can see this is this is basically an image. Okay, so what we need to do is to just enter our names, not yours but others. Okay, not yours but others who want to want this product. Okay, so you just need to type your email address, phone number, address, city, state and zip code, and that's it. You just need to give them the leads. Leads means the contact information that person needs to enter. Okay, and for that you are getting paid this much amount of money. Okay, I hope you get this point. Okay, so how to do it? Just click on this join network guys. Okay, and you can see this guys, I just want to become an affiliate. So next step, and just click on this create your account. So guys, this Guru Media, you need to submit an application form to this website, so that guys they'll give you an official link which you can do the promotions, because they are not giving any of the promotional links to anyone. Okay, if you are having a traffic, if you are compatible with the social media platforms, then you can do. Now you ask me a question that sir, we don't know anything about traffic, how to generate it. Don't worry guys, I'll show you how you yourself can do that thing. Okay, and started earning money. So first of all guys, what you need to do is to enter your first name, okay, last name, mail address and your company or website. So you can say that health website. Okay, you can give this. Okay, now you need to enter your address. You can say address 1, 2, your city, your zip code, your country, whatever country you belong to guys. Okay, you can select it. I'll just show you mine. Okay, state and province, you can select it. Okay, and your mobile phone, very important. Okay, so whatever ambiguity if they are having, so they can directly contact you with this detail. Now you can see this, guys, additional information were who refer you on media guru media. Okay, so you can say that who offer me F, what is the name, F plus. Okay, F plus. And you can see this, your Skype name, you can give your Skype username. Okay, and guys, name the affiliate network you were sending traffic to now. Okay, so you can give, guys, FB, Facebook, Instagram, reddit.com, okay, Pinterest, and lots of. Okay, so you can select as per your social media platform that you want to give. Okay, you can give it as per your requirements. Okay, so what type of offers do you run the most? So I can say that CP or CPS. Okay, and what's your average payout all the network? So I just select 1k to 5k a month. Why you need to select this, guys? Because guys, if you want to earn good amount of money from this platform, you need to give them a minimum wage thing that okay, I can offer this much amount of money till now, and I can do the promotions for you guys as well. Okay, because otherwise they will not give you any affiliate link, guys. This is a technique how to generate an affiliate links. Okay, otherwise they will not give you. What type of traffic do you currently run? Okay, so what type of traffic? We can say that organic traffic we are running. Organic traffic we are running. Okay, typically do you focus on? Guys, you can say that health and fitness. Okay, to target audience. Okay, you can say that to the target audience. We just need to select it. Okay, health and fitness to the target audience. Okay, 3 geo locations you need to give. You can say that United States, USA, Canada, and France. Okay, whatever countries or geos you want to give, you can give it easily. What are some specific names of offers you are running now? Okay, so guys, for that what you need to do is to just come up here in the CPA leads. Okay, instead of the one you are want the promotion for, just select those products, okay, which you are interested in. Okay, so you can give a specific names like this. You can see, okay, you can see this is my name. Okay, other name is your let's see another name I can give. This is one product, okay, health related product, so you can give that name as well. Okay, so you can give that name. So what are some offer names that you're looking for? So I'm looking for this product. Okay, so you just give this product name and just paste it here. Okay, and now guys, what you need to do is to just see the terms and policies that you need to mention. Okay, these are all the terms and policies that you need to read carefully. Okay, and just click on this agree after reading it, and just click on this submit application, and it will generate you the CPA we can say that affiliate link for this gurumedia.com, where you can able to promote these products, and you can also earn this much amount of money with per lead. Okay, so it is very helpful for you. You can see this, guys, within 13 hours this will help you to generate, and there are hundreds and hundreds of offers that you can promote for leads and all, so that you are also getting paid a good amount of money with this website. Okay, not even a single but there are many. Okay, so now for the traffic part, guys, I'll just show you one social media platform website, and you can see this, guys, facebook.com. If you just come up here in this facebook.com, you just need to enter health and fitness. Okay, you just need to type this, and here you just need to click on this groups section. Okay, just need to click on this groups, and you can see this, guys. You just need to click on this join group. Okay, and guys, if you just calculate that how much people are actually interested in health and solution for a particular group, you can able to generate a handsome amount of money by just doing the registration. Make them do the registration part, and that's it, guys. Okay, it doesn't matter that they are buy that product or purchase that product or not. You are just giving the leads means you just need to make them provide the information of a particular client. Okay, that is what you need to give. I hope you like this video, guys. Okay, if you are having any doubts, you can write down on the comment section. If you're facing any problem in earning money, you can write down either, and just do write your hobbies and your working culture, what profession you are belong to, so that, guys, I'll help you to generate income as per your niche. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.